Good morning, children. Are you finished your classwork and homework? Very good. We saw in the part 1 and part 2 video. What, children? Can you say? Why democracy? Yes? Why democracy? About the democracy and types of governments we saw. We learn, yes? And we learn about the historical context of democracy, evolutions of democracy in modern society, the French revolutions, and we saw about the pillars of democracy, equality before law and rule of law, and problem of inequality. This all we learn in the part 1 and part 2 video, yes? Yes or no, children? Today we are going to see about the government schemes to promote equality. Promote the equality. What is the government schemes? There are several laws in India to protect the citizen rights to be treated equally. There are also laws to prevent the unequal treatment of persons who are in a disadvantageous positions. Indian constitutions allow special benefits to give some disadvantaged members of the society such as the Dalits. This is to help them to gradually attain a social and economic condition equal to that of the rest of the society. The government runs various schemes for this purpose. One of this scheme for providing the midday meal to students in school. The government has given more schemes to promote the equality. So government had certain take some steps to improve their life, quality of life of belonging to backward classes. So they have to be brought under the national insurance. So education and food has been made free to the children coming from this section of the society. From this section of the society. Even in government jobs, seats are reserved for these people who are in this section of the society. So there are health camps which are organized their policy which ensure homes to such peoples. So government has given some schemes. One of the scheme also given. What the scheme? That is midday meal to students in schools. So these schemes like midday meals are instrumental in increasing the attendance of the poor and disadvantageous children in the schools. So children of all the castes eat together in the school. What is the advantages? Advantages of the midday meal. What is the advantages? All the children of the caste, all the caste children will come together in the school and they can eat. Yes, they can get together and eat. So many more people who do not get enough food are encouraged to attend school in the hope of the free meal. Students of all castes take the meal together and option Dalit women are employed to cook the meal. All this helps reduce the caste discriminations. So this a long way is remove the basis of the caste children towards Dalits as they cook and give. Okay, these steps taken by the Indian government are good, but a lot needs to be done. If the country has to move ahead, all the section of the Indian society have to move together. So this progress of the country is impossible without improvement the conditions of Dalits and poor people. So what I said, what is the advantages? Yes, what advantages I said? More many children, they didn't get enough food for them. Yes, so they came to the school, they take the meal together. All the caste of the students take the meal together, and Dalit women also are one of the employed to cook that meal. So in equalities of inequalities in midday meal. Sometimes, however, we hear of students refusing to eat food cooked by Dalits. Dalit students sometimes also been made to sit separate at meals. அதுலேயும் இன்இக்வாலிட்டி பார்த்துருக்காங்க. இது வரக்கூடாதுன்னு தான் கவர்மெண்ட்டே ஸ்டெப் எடுத்தாங்க மிட் டே மீல. அதுலேயும் இன்இக்வாலிட்டிஸ் கொண்டு இருந்திருக்கு. எப்படி தலித் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் தனியாக போய் என்ன செஞ்சுருந்தாங்களாம், உட்கார வச்சுருவாங்களாம், sit apart at the meals. Sometimes, however, we hear of students refusing to eat food cooked by Dalits. Such things will only stop when we change our attitudes. When we change our attitudes, we can stop this one inequalities. So our children all are same only, okay? We are living in the freedom country, yes? So we want to avoid this changes, okay? நம்ம ஜாதிகளையோ மதங்களையோ என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது, நம்ம பார்க்கக்கூடாது. எல்லாருமே ஒன்று தான். அதுக்கு தான் மிட் டே மீல்ங்கிறது என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, கொண்டு வந்தாங்க. ஓகேவா? Inequalities in other democratic countries. This inequality is not unique to India. Discriminations is seen in other democratic countries too. Discrimination against African American still exists in USA. See, in this one we are going to see two persons. They are faced some inequalities in the USA. Who is that? That is Rosa Parks and Martin Luther King. They both struggled for inequality. For struggle they are inequality. Now we are going to see about the Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King. He is one of the minister. He leader of the civil rights for the civil. He born in January 15th, 1929 in Atlanta, Georgia. This Martin Luther is studied in Washington. On his way back to Atlanta, he was forced to stand up during the bus ride just because he was an African American. He later said it was the angriest he had ever been. African Americans suffered discriminations. They were treated poorly simply because of the color of their skin. This Dr. Martin Luther King studied as a doctor, okay? He is arrested 29 times while fighting for equality. அவர் வந்து ஈக்குவலிட்டி கொண்டு வரதுக்காண்டி சண்டை போட்டிருக்காரு. அவர் எத்தனை நேரம் அரெஸ்ட் ஆனாராம்? 29 times. In 1964, just months after the Civil Rights Act passed, he received the Nobel Peace Prize in 35 years old. On April 4th, 1968, this Martin Luther was shot and killed by someone who was trying to stop his message. அவர் ஒரு பேச்சாளராக இருந்திருக்காரு. சரியா? இன்இக்வாலிட்டி பற்றி பேசுகிற ஒரு பேச்சாளராக நல்லா பேசுகிறவராக இருந்திருக்காரு. ஸோ அவர் என்ன செஞ்சுட்டாங்க, கொண்டுட்டாங்க. அவர் எங்கே இருந்தாரா லாஸ்டில்? The Lorraine Motel was later transferred in this. He stayed in the Lorraine Motel. He shooted in that place only. So that place is transferred into the National Civil Rights Museum. இப்போ அது என்ன மியூசியமாக மாறி இருக்கா? நேஷனல் சிவில் ரைட்ஸ் மியூசியம். அண்ட் தே கெப்ட் மெமோரியல் ஆல்சோ இன் வாஷிங்டன். இன் 2011 a memorial was finished in Washington. They are honoring the Dr. Martin Luther King. Now we are going to see about the Rosa Parks. Okay? See, Rosa Parks also African Americans also. Back then there was bad laws are there. They kept things secreted. Secreted means the race of color. They are separated by the race of color. அவங்க வந்து கருப்பர்களா இருக்கப்ப என்ன செஞ்சுட்டாங்களா, அவங்கள ஒதுக்கி வைக்கிற ஒரு விதிகள் இருந்திருக்கப்போ. So African Americans were mistreated just because of the color of their skin. African Americans were forced to sit in the back of the bus. Sometimes they are forced to even stand up during the ride. வண்டியில் போகும்போது பின்னால் உட்கார சொல்லுவாங்களாம், அப்படி இல்லைன்னா என்ன செய்வாங்களா, நட்டமன்னு வர சொல்லுவாங்களாம். அந்த அளவுக்கு என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க, அவங்க கலரை பார்த்து புறக்கணிச்சிருக்காங்க அவங்கள. Rosa was mistreated because she was African American. So Rosa Parks joined in the NAACP. It's one of the organization that fights for the rights of African American. In 1955, she joined there in NAACP. That is one of the opportunity to fight segregation in public transportation. So Rosa Parks refused. See, Rosa Parks worked hard in the 12 years but did not become famous in the civil rights movement until December 1st, 1955. On that day, they tried to force to stand. She went in the 1955 December 1st in this bus. Okay, so they are forced to stand up during the bus ride. She refused to give up her seat to white person. அவன் வெள்ளையா இருக்கவங்களுக்கு என்ன செய்யலாவா, சீட்டு தர மாட்டேன் புறக்கணிச்சிட்டா. ஓகே, she refused to give up her seat as a black were supposed to do. So she refused. She said, no way, there is fair something had to be done. So they announced a bus boycott in Montgomery. A boycott means what? Boycott is when you stop using a good or service in order to make a statement. The Supreme Court ruled the segregations on public transportations is illegal. Illegal. She was arrested also. அவர் சண்டை போட்டனால அரெஸ்ட் கூட என்ன செஞ்சாங்களா, அவங்கள பண்ணுனாங்களாம். In 1996, she became a President Clinton presented Rosa Parks with the President Medal of Freedom. Rosa Parks passed away of the year 9 years later at the age of 92. She entire life was dedicated to civil rights. She wrote books, made speeches, continue the fight for African American rights. அவங்க வாழ்க்கையே இதுக்காண்டி என்ன செஞ்சுட்டாங்களாம், தியாகம் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. ஏன்னா அவங்க பஸ்ஸில் வரும்போது இருக்க விடுறதில்ல, உட்கார விடுறதுக்கு இல்லை, அவங்கள நட்டமாக வர சொல்கிறது, இப்படி ரொம்ப பண்ணதுனால அவங்க என்ன செஞ்சாங்களாம், தன்னையே தியாகம் பண்ணாங்க. Can you understand, children? I hope you are understand. Yes, children? Everybody take the classwork note. All of you take your classwork note. In the previous class we wrote the first question. Now you write the second question. Why has it been suggested that the early forms of democracy emerged naturally? Write today's date and day and date. Write it clearly, write neatly. I give the time for you, write it, children. Children, now you write third answer. Third question, okay? Question and answer. Describe any two features of dictatorships which are not in the interest of common people. Answer. First point is denial of civil rights and freedom. Second point, inequality among the people of nations. Write it neatly, children. Write it fast, okay? Fourth question. What are the merits of democracy? Democracy improves the quality of decision making. Democracy provides a method to deal with difference and conflicts. Democracy allows people to correct their own mistakes. In a democracy, people rule themselves as leaders or elected by them. Write it, children. Write neatly. Sorry. Children, all of you take your book. Everybody take your book. Sorry, I'm not well, okay? Okay, children, all of you take your social book, 224 page number. Tick the correct answer. First one is C. The largest democracy in the world is India. Democracy is of two types. Two types. What is that? Direct democracy and indirect democracy. Okay. Which is superior to all law? Constitution. Which of the following do you think enacts the sense of human dignity? What is dignity, that one? Fourth one, which will come, children? Democracy. The French Revolution was based on the principles of which one? Liberty, equality and fraternity. Sixth one, who is the dictator of Germany? Who is that? A. Hitler. Who was the dictator of Italy? Mussolini. Eighth one, democracy means rules of the people. Good. Children, now you write true or false. See in your book, page number 225, 225. First one is true. After the Second World War, the newly independent colonies showed preference for democracy. True. Second one is false. The French Revolution took place in 1889. Is it? No, it is false. When? 1789. That answer will become 1789. So it's a false. The answer is false. Third one is true. Fourth one is Sanghas and Ganas existed in Mesopotamia as early as the 6th century AD. It's 6th century AD. Which name? Which one? 4th century. Very good. My children are very good. Yes? 4th century. So that answer will come false. Fifth one, Nepal is a monarch. It's a monarch. Which one, ma? Nepal is a now democratic government. That is a democratic. It's not a monarch. Okay? Monarch enna sollena Raja Rani aaluvanga sollirken. In a democracy, all peoples are equal in the eyes of law. True. Now take your homework note, study and write one time. I gave you only 2 questions for you, okay? Only 2 questions. What type of government is there in Great Britain? What do you mean by monarch? These 2 questions you study close your note and book and write it in your homework note. Don't see and write, okay? I hope you will study and write. Yes? Very good. Children, take care about your body, your health also. Eat healthy food. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you, children, for listening this class.